Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial, where we will explain to you how you can add a dynamic coupon code in your Klaviyo email, especially if you're using it with Shopify. So, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Klaviyo account, and inside your email template, you can use any starter or custom template. Now, open a new tab and from your Klaviyo dashboard, go to the left-hand sidebar and click on Content, then select Coupons. Here, we're going to create a new coupon. Click on Create Coupon and start filling in the basic details. Choose a coupon name, and remember it should be one word or use an underscore, no spaces. For example, let's name it BF_sale. You can also add a prefix like BF if you're running a Black Friday offer, just to keep things organized. Now choose your discount type, whether it's a percentage, fixed amount, or free shipping. Let's say we're offering 20% off the entire order. Then you can choose to apply the discount to all products, a specific collection, or just a single product, depending on your strategy. For activation, it's best to select at send time, so the code activates only when the email is sent. And under expiration, you can set it to expire after a few days, like 5 days after sending, or on a fixed date. Once done, go ahead and click on Create Coupon. Now that your coupon is ready, return to your email template. Decide where you want the code to appear, for example, under a heading like Use Code. And here's where we plug in the dynamic code. Click into the text block or go to the source code view and paste this exact variable. %coupon_code BF_sale%. Just make sure the brackets, quotes, and everything stay in place. Replace BF sale with the actual name of your coupon if it's different. To test if it's working, hit preview, and you should see a sample code like BF_sale size 123 appear. If you see an error like coupon not available, double-check the coupon name and formatting, and that's it. You've now successfully added a dynamic coupon code to your Klaviyo email.